What's up, you guys? Welcome, besties, or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a different type of video. This is a skincare video. So the foundation to doing makeup before you even do your makeup is doing your skincare, because without the skincare your makeup is going to look busted. So today we have a new product that I'm going to be using and testing throughout the week and showing you guys my progress. So if you are interested in seeing what product I am talking about, make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my video and tap that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, or having this intro too long, let's get started. Bye, y'all. Okay, and we're back. So today's product that we are going to be talking about, I can't pronounce it, but I'm going to show you, is this product right here. DEMINUAGE. DEMINUAGE. I'm gonna say that's the name of the product. So they sent this to me for review and testing so I can show you guys how to have the flawless, glowing within, flat, smooth, even skin tone skin that you desire before you putting on your makeup. So like I said in the previous clip, foundation. Having a good smooth foundation canvas is important before you start any routine whatsoever. So before you apply your makeup, your foundation, your primer, and all that on your face, this is the first step that you want to take. The first thing you want to do, wash your face. Use your favorite moisturizer, your favorite soap, face soap. Clean your face thoroughly, rinse it off, let it dry. So now we have this product, which is the DEMINUAGE Nano Needle Pen. I think that's what it's called. So in this package, it came with the pamphlet that tells you all about the product and how to use it. And it says boost your inner glow. It tells you how to apply things like serum. So this is basically for serum to absorb into the skin so you have that healthy glow on your face. And it also comes with daily NANOCHIPs and booster NANOCHIPs. The daily ones you can use daily with your serum of choice, and a booster NANOCHIP you can use 1 to 2 times weekly in place of the NANOCHIP with included the DEMINUAGE Blank Brightening Syrup. I don't have that serum, so I'm just going to use the daily booster with my serum of choice. And the skin serum of my choice is the Creme de Skin Nutrition. This is the hyaluronic 1% plus vitamin C serum. It's for hydration, radiation, and antioxidants. It's a clinical formula to improve skin texture and clarity with intense moisture and balance, brightness, and whiteness. It proves anti-aging properties and defends the look of fine lines and all-day skin relief benefits. So my face is already prepped, primed, cleaned, dried, and now we are here. So the directions say that you take the nano thing and you take it out the pouch. It came in this nice little silky velvety pouch, and you untwist it, and then you put the battery inside, which I already did. And then you find the booster. Since we are using the daily booster, it comes like this. And inside it has 5 nano chips. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna take one out. It looks like this. Nice and sterilized and ready to go. So the first thing they say to do is, for first use, open the battery and all that. And then it says remove the nano chip from the cartridge, which I am going to do right now. And it looks like this. Okay, so then the next thing that you do is screw the nano chip cartridge into the nano pen with the nano chip facing outward. So like this. Then you just screw it on. And the next thing that you do is you use your serum of choice, and you just apply it evenly to your face or areas that you like to focus on. So let's look at my face right quick. We see we have some dark spots. Dark spots all over here. So I'm gonna mainly focus over here around my chin area and on my forehead, because that's where I have the most dark spots, mostly related to PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome, which gives you facial hair and all of that. So I'm gonna apply this to my cheeks, my chin area, and to my forehead. Like so. And then I'm just going to apply the serum evenly to my face. And I'm going to be doing this throughout the week. So then I'm going to come back and update you guys. Have an updated video on what it looks like. So we applied our serum. So I'm looking at the pamphlet because it tells you exactly what to do. It says press the power button located at the bottom. Hold the nano pen perpendicular to the face and gently begin sliding the nano chip onto the skin, starting from inside to outside. So inside out and bottom to top. So bottom to top. It says don't slide the nano chip. Do not slide the nano chip onto the same surface more than 3 times. Continue until the desired area has been treated, and reuse the blank brightening serum is not recommended once opening it. It says turn off by pressing the power button and unscrew the nano chip. Okay, so here we go, you guys. Let me use my mirror right here, and we're going to begin. Got a nice little vibrating, if you can hear that. And this is what the pen looks like, you guys. So I'm gonna go in and out, just like that. Just like this. And you can actually see where you went. In and out. So I'm going to fast forward and then I'll be right back. Okay, and they do have a sale on this going right now. If you guys are interested, I will have the link down below to everything that I used in this video. So pretty much this nano pen technology is supposed to help with your serum absorb into the skin. So it goes all the way down into the inner layer, the first layer of your skin, and it absorbs the serum into your skin, so you get the product actually soaking in, absorbing into the skin, and working and doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so right now, as y'all can see now, I look like I'm glowing. Like I have a glow. Like I'm pregnant. Okay, let's put that there. Like I'm pregnant. I feel like I got that pregnancy glow. My skin is soft. It feels soft. It feels amazing. It feels a little bit tightened, especially right here, because I wanted to work here and here because I got bags. So the nano chip is safe. It is painless. It is effective. It is convenient. It works. Okay, so this is only the first day and I can already see a glow within my face. Like if I had the before, I will put the before, but yeah, I'm gonna continue to use this for a week and see how it goes, and I'm gonna give you guys an updated video on the product. Like I said, I will have all the products listed down below, and I want to thank DEMINUAGE for sending me this product. And right now we're gonna hear a word from them, so let's hear from DEMINUAGE.
Skin, known for its elasticity, clarity, and beauty, it's also an effective barrier, keeping out the dirt, pollutants, and irritants of the everyday. In doing so, it can also keep out the nutrients we need, making skincare and facial treatments less effective. Introducing DEMINUAGE, an at-home facial solution that harnesses the power of quick-pour nanotechnology to overcome the skin's barrier to allow for 10 to 20 times better absorption of active ingredients. Using a nanochip powered by a grid of microscopic nanotips, this novel delivery system creates reversible microscale absorption channels in the stratum corneum to help transport active ingredients deeper into the skin. And since each nanotip is 1,000 times smaller than a human hair, there is no pain, no bleeding, and no downtime, just results. While gentle enough to use on dark circles, puffiness, and milia, it's powerful enough to take on wrinkles, blemishes, scarring, and uneven skin tone, leaving you with luminous, youthful-looking skin. DEMINUAGE. Boost your inner glow.
I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for coming. I am glad to have you. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up the video. Comment what you thought down below. If this is something you think that you would try. If you want something if you want something that actually get into the skin and absorb the serum and not just have it lay on your skin. So I hope you enjoyed. I really like this product. I'm going to continue to use it, even buy some more nano chips. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, thank you for coming, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.